Hello everyone, I'm Bogdan from Revoicer. Today we're going to create ourselves a voice clone and we'll see how we can use that clone to generate audio files in many different languages. Now my voice is currently a little bit more raspier than usual because I've been having some throat issues recently. And believe it or not, this will affect our clone, the one that we make today. So the first step is to create the voice clone itself. Not much changes in the process, so let's skip to the part where we record our voice. You can record it in whatever language you want, but make sure that the recording is crisp and high quality as it will impact the resulting clone. A preview at the end will always be played in English, regardless of the language you recorded it in. So let's add the clone voice to your library. You'll notice that above the text input box, you have two drop-down menus. The first one is the speaking rate, which will alter the speed in which your cloned voice will speak, and the output language. Whatever language you select in this menu will affect the way that your voice speaks, as our AI will apply the natural characteristics of the selected language to your voice clone. All that's left to do now is insert text in the same language and press the Generate button to have your voiceover created. So let's have a listen to what my raspier than normal voice sounds like in Spanish.
Hola a todos, bienvenidos a este nuevo video. Hoy vamos a descubrir algo divertido y muy fácil de aprender, así que si están listos, acompáñenme y comencemos ya mismo.
So you can listen to yourself speak in Spanish, Italian, or why not French, or even Czech. With this one voice clone that we've just created, we can generate voiceovers for any of the languages shown in the output language drop-down menu. It's that easy. So why not just visit your Revoicer account and try it out for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.